Hi guys, welcome to Shreya's Beauty Fashion Films. I aspire to bring everything related to lifestyle to you all. So I'm in here today with a wedding guest makeup look that I have created keeping in mind the upcoming summer months. Also, I have used both affordable and high-end products. So in case you are interested, do continue watching. But before that, if you are new here, do take a moment to share, subscribe and like this video so that we can be a family together and I can bring a lot of videos like this in near future. So without any further ado, what are we waiting for? Let's quickly dive in. For skin prep, first I am taking the Love Earth face mist and spraying it luxuriously all over my face and patting it in. Then waiting for a few seconds for it to seep in. Skin prep is very important if you want your makeup base to look well blended. Then I am taking the Nykaa silicone based primer and warming it by rubbing it on my hands and pressing it all over my face and neck. I am not taking a dewy primer cause summers are over here. Let a powder highlighter do the job. That's all to skin prep. Wait for some time after every step of your skin prep for it to seep in. Now I am taking a dark concealer by the shade Cool Tan from LA Girl to correct the slight pigmentation I have under my eyes and blending it in with a Real Technique Damp Beauty Blender. That's all for correction as of now I need. After that, as foundation, I am taking the Maybelline tint. Now if you want more coverage and makeup to last throughout the day, you must use a foundation. For that, options will be listed below. The procedure remains the same. Taking 2 pumps, I am applying it with a blender so that the coverage is more sheer, otherwise your base may look cakey. I have kept everything well explained and in detail so that you can choose to do whatever you want, as makeup is subjective. So watch and decide whatever suits you, you should do that. Now I am taking the NYX Serum Concealer to highlight my face in a lighter tone, and the trick here is to only apply it to the places you want to highlight, not the entire face. A little under the eyes, forehead, nose bridge, cupid's area and chin, that's it. Then I am blending it the entire thing in a dabbing motion with my damp beauty blender, so the same Real Techniques beauty blender. I'm setting the entire base then with the Charlotte Tilbury compact powder. Since I'm a wedding guest, a compact powder will keep the makeup well locked in and long lasting for the entire day than a loose powder. I'm not baking but simply putting it in a dabbing motion all over my face. For eyebrows, I'm taking the Sugar brow pencil and brushing the hairs and drawing my eyebrows. Every product will be linked below. For eyeshadow, I am taking the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette and taking the light brown shade Arouse. I am using it as a transition shade on my crease area. Back and forth and then around circular motions. That's how I am blending. Next, taking a small fluffy brush, I am taking a shade darker Naughty and blending it in the same way in the crease area. Lastly, I am taking a dark shade Untamed and placing it only in the outer corners of my lid and blending it in small circular motions, keeping the overall smoky effect a little subtle as a wedding guest. Then, with my fingers, I am taking 2 shades Tantric and Flower Power and seeing which one suits my makeup and costume more. Tantric it is, and depositing it on my lid with my fingers. Then taking a clean fluffy brush, I am blending the edges so that there's no harshness. Taking the Sugar Kohl, I am lining the lids and simply smudging it, not shadow smudging, to keep the look a little subtle. Lastly, lining my upper and lower lash line with the eye pencil only. Now I am taking a blue eye pencil from LA Girl and simply outlining below the lower lash line and smudging it again. I'm keeping lashes to keep the look a little subtle and applying a few coats of the Swiss Beauty Mascara, which I love, and that's all for eye makeup now. Next, I'm taking the Morphe bronzer and warming up my face as usual. Blend the bronzer with a different damp blender, and that's all for bronzing and contouring. That's me after highlighter, blush and setting spray. I am back and edited it to reduce the video length. Now I am simply putting the red lipstick from NYX Cosmetics with Maybelline Lifter Gloss topping. That's all, guys. That's all for today's wedding guest makeup look. If you really like this video, do not forget to share, subscribe and like this video, and do comment down below as if how it has turned out. Also, do follow me on Instagram because there are amazing reels and posts coming out every 2-3 days. I'm more active over there. And yeah, that is all. Till then, till I'm back with my next video, live life, love life and stay blessed. Thank you. Bye.